In this lecture, I will teach you how to make chicken cheese sandwich. So let's get started. The ingredients are half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 cup chicken stock, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon butter, half teaspoon red chili flakes, half teaspoon salt, 2 cup cheddar cheese, 1 chopped carrot, 1 chopped capsicum, 1 tablespoon mustard paste, and 2 cup boiled and shredded chicken. Now take a pan and add some oil in it. Then add 1 tablespoon butter, then we add 1 carrot and capsicum and fry it for 1 minute. Then add all the masalas and mix it well. And now add 1 cup chicken stock, now add mustard paste in it. Now add boiled chicken in it. Mix it well. Now we add cheddar cheese 2 cup. Filling is ready. Take a side and take 2 slices of bread and now put the filling and spread it evenly. Now cover it with another bread slice. Now take a tawa and add some oil in it and place the sandwich on it. When light brown color will appear, then flip over carefully and press and cook for 1 minute. After that it is golden brown both sides, we can take it out. And cut into the 2 portions. And enjoy it and serve immediately.